Hey guys, Jordan here. Today I'm going to show you using the Personal Destiny Guide that you can download for free at jmring.com/free-offer. You can go and get this for free, but we're going to be going over core values and how to determine your core values. Now you can use a list to determine your core values, or you can use a method like this. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the very end here. And we're going to go over the part of this. I just wanted to talk through it, what it looks like to determine your core values. Now, this one is just, the method here is not just looking at a list, it's determining it for yourself. So it's an exercise that you can do, hopefully quickly. I don't want you to spend too much time on this because it doesn't necessarily need too much time. I mean, you could spend days talking about it if you'd like, but determining your core values really just starts with a few questions. So pick one word to describe your thoughts and experiences in the following 5 scenarios. Now, again, you can pick one word here, as the description says, or if you want to, you can pick a couple sentences, and that's fine. Whatever helps you figure out what your core values are can help you here. So picture the most vivid or exciting memory you have of your adult life. What thoughts or feelings do you have? Now, if a couple things come to mind or if sentences come to mind, that's fine. But the point here is to think about a core value word, something you can ascribe to that memory. The next one up is picture the last time you got into a heated discussion or debate. Why were you so riled up? For me, this one's a big one. I get riled up, whenever I start talking about freedom and, not working the 9 to 5 and things like that, things that I'm very passionate about. So the core value word that comes up for me there is freedom. And that's just an example. That could be yours as well. If you like your freedom and you like to determine your own destiny and like to set your own schedule, that could be yours there as well. What is your strongest habit and why? My strongest habit is getting up and doing something active, whether it's walking or running or doing some sort of strength work during the day. That's my strongest habit. So my core value word there is going to be well-being. Picture your perfect day. What kinds of things do you want to experience? Now, this one's a fun one because you get to think about what you want your best day to be. But what things come up? Are you spending time with family? Are you spending time on your passion? Maybe you're just horseback riding all day. Maybe that's a perfect day for you. That is a core value to you. Getting outside, being with animals, anything like that. It doesn't necessarily even have to be that one word again. I don't think you just necessarily need to bring it down to one word. But what words come up there that can help you decide that? And lastly, what do you want people to say at your funeral? You can end this sentence. How would you end this sentence? Your name, so you always live with passion for what? What did you live with passion for? What do you want other people to say? So use those 5 different methods or 5 different questions there as a method for determining your core values. You could certainly look at the list that I have on my website. You can go to jmring.com/list-of-core-values. The link will also be there in the YouTube video as well if you're not already on my page. And then you can grab your own. You can get that list. Start thinking about your own words. But hopefully this is a good way and a helpful starter for you to determine those core values. Good luck, and let me know any questions.